Swindle. To cheat someone or trick them out of money. Example: watch out for scammers online. They might swindle you with fake deals. Nuzzle. To gently rub your nose or face against something. Example: the kitten nuzzled against my hand for attention. Drizzle. Light rain or to pour a small amount of liquid. Example: it's just a drizzle, we don't need an umbrella. Wobble. To move unsteadily from side to side. Example: the toddler wobbled as he took his first steps. Cuddle. To hug someone affectionately. Example: we love to cuddle up with a good book on cold nights. Rattle. A quick shaking noise or action. Example: the wind rattled the windows all night. Bundle. A group of things tied or wrapped together. Example: I carried a bundle of sticks to start the campfire. Gargle. To rinse your throat with liquid. Example: when I have a sore throat, I gargle with warm salt water. Twinkle. A small, bright, flickering light. Example: the stars twinkled beautifully in the night sky. Trickle. To flow or fall in small drops. Example: water trickled down the window after the rain. Scribble. To write or draw something quickly and carelessly. Example: he scribbled a note before rushing out. Startle. To surprise or frighten someone suddenly. Example: the loud noise startled the cat. Swindle. To cheat or deceive someone out of money or property. Example: the scammer swindled them out of their savings. Guzzle. To drink something quickly and greedily. Example: he guzzled the soda after a long run. Doodle. To draw or scribble absent-mindedly. Example: she doodled flowers in the margins of her notebook. Crackle. To make a series of small, sharp noises. Example: The fire crackled in the fireplace. Tattle. To tell someone, like a teacher or parent, about something someone else has done, often to get them in trouble. Example: don't tattle on your friends over small things. Nuzzle. To gently rub or push your nose or face against someone or something. Example: the puppy nuzzled against her hand. Haggle. To argue about the price of something in order to get a better deal. Example: she haggled with the shopkeeper to lower the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.